The learning objective for today's maths lesson is to recognise 2D and 3D shape. Okay, let's see if we can help Jack name these 2D shapes. Over here we have a circle. This shape over here is a triangle. Even though it does seem to be upside down, it's a triangle. You knew that, didn't you? What about this shape? Yes, you're right. That's a square. Even though it's tilted, it's still a square. What about this shape over here? Looks a little bit like a door, doesn't it? This shape is a rectangle. Well done if you guessed the names of those 2D shapes correctly. What about this one? Shall I give you a clue? A pen and a hand. Well, we use our hands to hold pens, and our hands have 5 fingers, just like this shape. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let's see if we can label them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the 5 sides there on the pentagon. Okay? Well done if you guessed the name of that shape correctly. Okay, we're going to think about another 2D shape now, a hexagon. A hexagon is a 2D shape that has 6 sides altogether. Both the words 6 and hexagon have an X in them, so that helps you to remember its name. Sometimes I can make an X with my arms as I say hexagon. You have a go at that. Make an X with your arms and say the word hexagon. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, let's have a little look at these shapes over here. Which one of these shapes is a hexagon? Pause the video while you work it out. Okay, let's take a look at these shapes. What do you think about this shape? If you look carefully at this shape, you can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides altogether. It has 5 sides in this shape. So if you remember from before, a 5-sided shape is called a... Can you remember? Yes, you're right, a pentagon. So it's not this shape. So it means it must be this shape. So let's count the sides up and see if we have 6 sides all together. Then we'll know that we have a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that's right. This yellow shape here is the hexagon because it has 6 sides all together. Okay, it's time to look at 3D shapes now. We're going to see if we can help Eva name some of these 3D shapes. You may recognise some of these and may well know their names too. So well done if you do remember some of the names of these shapes. First of all, let's have a look at this one at the top here. This is a sphere. That's right. It's a little bit like a ball. Okay, let's move on to this one now. Here we have a, do you know? A cylinder. It's a little bit like a tin of beans or sweet corn. Over here you can see a cone. That's right. When it's this way round, it looks like an ice cream cone ready to be filled with ice cream. Okay, let's move on to this shape here. Do you know what this one is? Yes, you're right. It's a cube. It looks a little bit like a dice, doesn't it? And the last shape that we need to look at is this one down here. This is called a cuboid. A cuboid. It's a little bit like a stretched cube. Okay, well done Year 2 if you did remember some of the names of these 3D shapes. Okay, what about these 3D shapes as well? Do you know their names? Okay, let's take a look at the one at the top to begin with. This one is called a pyramid. We know it's a pyramid because we've seen pyramids in Egypt. Now this one at the bottom is a little bit different. This is a tricky one. It has a triangle face at the top and one at the bottom too. Okay, this shape is called a triangular prism. You can see its name just there. Okay, Year 2, I'd like you to have a go now. Look at these 4 shapes. Which of these shapes are cylinders? Pause the video while you think about it and work it out. Okay, let's go through it together. Do you remember the name of this shape? Yes, you're right. This shape is a cone. What about this one? Did you remember its name? Yes, you're right. This one is a cylinder. So we'll give it a big tick because it's a cylinder. Let's have a little look at these ones at the bottom now. What about this one? Okay, do you remember the name of this shape? This one is a sphere, okay? And what about this final one over here? Do you think this one's a cylinder? Yes, you're right. It's also a cylinder, but this cylinder at the bottom is standing up nice and tall. So we'll give this cylinder a tick too. So on this slide we can see pictures of 2 cylinders. Okay, see if you can name these shapes. Pause the video while you do that. Right, let's go through them together. I'm going to start with this shape over here. Can you remember the name of this one? Yes, you're right. This one is a cube. What about this shape? This looks a little bit like a pointy hat. Do you remember the name? Yes, you're right. This shape is a cone. Let's take a look at this one now. This shape is a little bit like a ball, and we call that shape a sphere. Well done if you got that one right. Let's have a look at the shapes at the top now. I'm going to start with this one, the one that looks like a tin of beans. Can you remember its name? Yes, you're right. It's a cylinder. What about this pink shape over here? I think, yes, this one is called a pyramid. Okay, well done if you guessed that one. And what about this green shape up here? Did you remember the name of this one? Okay, you're right, it's a cuboid. Okay, it's time for you to choose an activity. Remember to choose one that you think suits you the best. There are 3 activities to choose from today. Task 1, you can colour and name the 2D and 3D shapes. Task 2, you can do the which shape is the odd one out. Or task 3, you can go on a shape hunt. How many different shapes can you find? If you can, you could take some photos and even make a pic collage. If not, you could just make a list of the things that you can find either at home or at school that are different shapes. Perhaps you may even have some 3D shapes that you could use to make a model. Okay, plenary time. Have a look at these two problems. Think about what the answers might be. You can either talk to someone about it or even write down your ideas. Okay, have fun.